Welcome back to our channel. This is part 2 of your NEBOSH IG journey. In part 1, we understood the foundation of health and safety principles. Today, we move into something practical, the IG2 Risk Assessment. GIC2 is where theory turns into real workplace decision-making. This assessment checks how well you apply what you have learned. Not just what risk assessment is, but how to do it properly. You will assess a real workplace for learning purposes. The goal is confidence, not memorization. You must identify hazards, assess risks, and prioritize actions. Every section builds on the previous one. Skipping details weakens your risk assessment. Clear descriptions matter more than fancy language. Each hazard must be specific and realistic. Generic answers reduce the strength of your assessment. Think like a safety officer, not a student. Your role is to protect people, not just fill tables. This mindset changes how you write your risk assessment. We will break each section down step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to include and why. Let's begin with the background section.
The first part of IG2 is the background of your workplace. This section sets the context for your entire risk assessment. Start by briefly describing what the organization does. Mention the type of work and normal working hours. Keep it clear and realistic, no unnecessary details. Next, state how many workers are employed. Include different job roles that actually exist there. This shows you understand how the workplace operates. Now describe the area or process you are assessing. Be specific. Mention tasks, equipment, and layout. This helps the risk assessment feel real and relevant. Next, list the sources of information you used. These could include procedures, guidance, or consultations. Only include sources that are relevant to your workplace. Then explain how you identified the hazards. Workplace inspections are a strong method. Observing routine and non-routine tasks is important. Speaking with workers also reveals hidden risks. Combining methods strengthens your assessment. Now you're ready to move into hazard identification. Now we move from identifying hazards to evaluating real risk. Risk means the chance of harm combined with how severe that harm could be. NEBOSH expects clear judgment, not guesswork or vague statements. Always describe who is exposed before judging the level of risk. Examiners reward realistic workplace judgment, not textbook copying. Now let's document existing control measures already in place. NEBOSH marks higher when controls match the specific hazard. Generic controls reduce marks and weaken your assessment. Risk rating must reflect reality, not optimism. Avoid extreme ratings unless clearly justified by conditions. Your assessment must show logic the examiner can follow. Each hazard should stand independently with its own evaluation. Do not combine hazards. This is a common marking mistake. Controls must already exist, not future recommendations. This distinction directly affects your final score. Always write as if the assessor is visiting your workplace. Clear descriptions show competence and professional judgment. This is how NEBOSH separates pass answers from high-scoring ones. Next, we move into additional control measures. This is where many candidates either gain or lose marks. Let's now define further actions to reduce remaining risks. Further actions must directly address the identified hazard. Vague actions like "be careful" score no marks. Actions must be practical, realistic, and achievable. One strong action is better than many weak ones. Each hazard can score a maximum of 2 marks here. 1 mark for existing control, 1 for further action. If a risk is already controlled, say how you will review it. This review statement can only score once in your assessment. Next, assign a realistic time frame for each action. Time frames must match the level of risk. Immediate actions are for urgent, serious dangers. Medium-term actions need planning, but not delay. Long-term actions apply to major structural changes. Unrealistic time frames reduce marks instantly. Each further action needs its own suitable time frame. If control scores 0, time frame scores 0 too. Always link actions, controls, and time frames logically. This structured approach builds examiner confidence. Next, we will prioritize one key hazard. Now we prioritize one hazard from the entire assessment. This hazard must already appear in your risk assessment table. Choosing a different hazard scores 0 for this entire section. Start by explaining why this hazard must be managed first. Legal reasons come first and must reference duties. Name the regulation and explain its requirement. 1 clear legal reason scores 1 full mark. Next, explain the moral duty to protect workers. Focus on injury impact, families, and well-being. Moral reasons must reflect genuine care, not policy language. Business and financial reasons come next. Compare prevention costs with incident losses. Reputation, downtime, and insurance all matter. 2 strong business reasons can secure full marks. Now explain general reasons for prioritization. Consider severity, likelihood, and frequency of exposure. Ease of control implementation is also important. Each general reason can earn 1 mark. Keep explanations short, focused, and relevant. Finally, explain how actions will reduce risk. Now explain how your proposed actions reduce the risk. Each action must link directly to the selected hazard. Do not repeat controls already listed in the assessment table. Focus only on additional actions that improve safety. Explain the reduction in likelihood, severity, or exposure. 1 clear explanation earns 1 full mark. Now describe how the findings are communicated. Communication must reach all affected workers. Methods include briefings, signage, and training. 1 suitable communication method scores 1 mark. The final step is review and monitoring. Reviews ensure controls remain effective over time. Reviews may follow incidents or process changes. 1 valid review method secures the final mark. Evidence must be clear, realistic, and consistent. Avoid vague language and generic examples. Every section must link back to your chosen hazard. This structured approach maximizes your marks. GIC2 test application, not memorization. With practice and clarity, success is achievable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more safety learning. Here at ECIS Institute, we believe in safety always, safety in all ways.